I got an interesting request regarding a person who wanted to have a dynamic term of service. The idea was pretty simple. The user wanted to list all the services in a checkbox field, and depending on the service that the user selected, the term of service were going to change. So for example, if the user selected, say, the service 1, then the term of service were going to include one specific text in it. Unfortunately, that was not possible, so I told that to the user and we move on. I'm joking, it was not possible, but after a few days of coding, you can now do it. To do something like that, first I need to add a checkbox field. In this field, I'm going to put all my services. I'm going to leave it like this for now, and then I need to add a term of service. In this term of service, I can put fixed text. This text is going to be shown always, doesn't matter what you select in the checkbox, but I can also add conditional text. To do that, I click here in condition, and then I can put my condition. For example, I'm going to add a text that is going to be shown only when the option 1 of the checkbox is selected. So I'm going to put option 1, and then let me test it. And as you can see, if I don't select the option 1, only the fixed text is displayed, and if I select the option 1, the conditional text is displayed. I can add as many conditions as I want. I can click again in the condition and put another condition, whatever I want. I can use any field of the form, and I can put, for example, another condition that is going to be displayed only when the option 2 is selected. So let me try. If I select option 1, only the fixed text and the option 1 text is displayed, and if I select option 2, both conditions are displayed. It's that easy. You can also find this conditional text in other areas. For example, when you are creating the email body, you can also put conditional text. If you want this feature added in another field or in another part of the form, just let me know.